Here's a brand new Payne. Replaced the 93 Train XE1000. I'm with Flab. Oh. These Pro Press. This is 454B. The first defrost land unit with 454B. Oh. That line set's definitely way too small for 454B. So 2025, 2.5 ton PH5. New disconnect. Cool and heat. Sounds nice. So this is the oldest unit now. This 95 Train. Wow. I'll get this defrosting this winter with Flab. He doesn't know about defrost yet, but he will.
Oh, I will. I already know a lot about.
Yeah, he knows defrost. You know, they're just an enthusiast thing. That doesn't really matter, but yep, brand new. First time ever seeing it. Look how shiny the service valves are and everything.
Hold up.
Here we got another brand new Payne. It replaced the 2001 Train XE1000. Here's another zoom lock, whatever you want to call it. 2025, 2 ton. Man. Yep. There's only 2 Train XE1000s left, and neither of them work. Seriously. Man, that sucks. At least I got it defrosting while I still could.
Over here.
Yep. Here's this older Payne.